Hello everyone, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am in Shenandoah here for another sunset, and this is called, I'll let the car go by. So this road is called the Skyline Road, and it goes for about 100 miles on top of the Blue Ridge Mountains. It is so cool up here. But we found this nice little overlook to watch the sunset. Hello everyone, Gainy Kun Kun. Just watch the sunset from way up here. There's a cliff here. It's probably, I don't know, 90 feet high. But it is amazing. Such a nice sunset. So cool. So awesome. So amazing. Be great. Be awesome. Be the best you can be. And enjoy every day. Dun 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 dun. Happy dance, happy dance. Cool. And you can see all the smoke of the Smoky Mountains down in the valleys. So cool. I think this is my favorite campground ever. Yes. There's like this huge cornfield in the background. Here's like a kid's jumpy thing. Playground. There's 2 pool tables inside this little house. Of course, the pool, the cows. Yes, this place is pretty awesome. Yes, pretty awesome. So excited. Cool, cool, cool. Hope everyone's having a great day. So here is our campsite for the next 3 nights. It is so cute up here. Yes, we have our own little pergola, our own little fireplace overlooking the hill. There's even a swimming pool down there, which is awesome. I'll definitely be in that later. You can see the Shenandoah National Park in the background, which is cool. And there's some more of Shenandoah National Park over there too. So nice. Awesome. So they have a cool little like basketball court too. You can play basketball. Very nice. Cool. And it's just us at the pool. So cool.